like that. Unscrew everything and get to the motor. I'm guessing depending on how you guys strap, it could be a copper bearing motor, or you strip it down, get into the copper. Let's see if you could. There you go, finally got it open. There you go. So, oh, a little more. So, this is garbage, and got a nice motor here, and if you can get to it, there's a lot of nice copper from what I see. Let's unscrew these screws and get more of the inside stuff. And obviously keep the screws to put in your steel pile. I don't do steel, so not really worth it for me to keep, but definitely worth it for the people who do. Like I've said in other videos, I don't have the space to keep the steel. There we go, we got a bunch of cable. A couple of boards, which is always nice. There you go. I'm going to try to keep all of this in different piles. So I usually don't take apart motors. I know some people do. There's definitely a lot of copper in this one, but this is going to go in my copper bearing motor pile. Got some steel. The screws